Hey, beautiful people. So join me as I make these wire wrap pearl earrings. They are something you can find in my TikTok shop. I'm steadily adding new designs. At least I was saying daily, but y'all, now it's like weekly because my hands are just full. I have something going on, but you can definitely get these earrings in the TikTok shop. They are handmade by me, of course, as you can see, and they are just a joy to make. I love wire wrapping jewelry. I didn't even know that I loved wire wrapping jewelry till like 2020, and I started just wire wrapping different things just to see how it would turn out, like rings, and then I would make little pendants with the crystals, and I would just watch tutorials on Pinterest and YouTube and things like that. But here what you can see, the first one I made early in the morning before I had to go get my kids, and I had to take a break, and then I'm back here in the video to make the second one. So I'm trying to make sure that it's identical to the second one, and which is not hard. The key is just to make sure that the base part is the same size. So you just make sure you're cutting the wire at the same size. So if one side is 8 inches, cut the second one 8 inches. So, and then I'm using two sides. Whoo, y'all yawning. I'm using two different size wire. One is y'all don't quote me, but 22 gauge. And one is like an 18 gauge. So one is thicker and one is thinner. So I made the earring base with the thicker one, which I'm thinking is the 18. I think the smaller the number, the thicker it is. So the 18 is the thick wire. And then I have what you see in my hand now, the 22 gauge wire, which is thinner. And that's what I use to bead the pearls on and the gold beads on. And so I'll bead them on, and then I will... Well, at first I attach the smaller wire to the top base of the earring, and then as I wrap it around, then I start adding the pearl beads on there. And I'll add a couple more pearl beads, and then wrap until I get all the way around. So it's definitely going to be so pretty when it's done, and it's really seems like it's difficult, but it's really not. And I just love doing these. I'm going to be making more. If I make more, or when I make more, what crystal would you like me to wrap the earrings in? Because right now I'm using these. They're not crystals. They're just like a synthetic pearl that goes on there. But what's another crystal that you would like to do? Because I did do a aventurine one time, and aventurine was really beautiful. I made it for a friend and loyal customer, and they turned out beautifully. And so I have to I want to make more. So what crystal should I use? Because I have amethyst, I have carnelian. I want to use like the crystal chips. So I got opalite, I got amethyst, I got carnelian. What else do I have in the crystal chips? Lapis lazuli. That'll be beautiful with the gold. So let me know, guys, in the comments what you think the next earring crystal should be. Lord, I can't talk. Look at me when I'm talking to one of my kids probably, because look, somebody came in and wanted something. I don't remember what it is. But y'all, make sure you get to the TikTok shop to see these beautiful earrings up closer. I'm going to definitely get some more videos so you can see it up close, but it's definitely going to bring some good positive energy and vibes to your life. Oh, they're like, when I wear them, I'll be like wearing what you see me now in the video, just like a t-shirt and some leggings, and I'll like put the earrings on. Actually, I have the earrings on in here, the earring, because I'm infamous for losing one earring. Y'all, it don't matter if I made them or if Pandora made the earrings, I'm going to lose one of them. That's why I do not really spend a lot of money on earrings. Even though I love earrings, I'm an earring girl, and that's why this is such a joy to make, because I'm an earring girl. But yes, in the video, I only have one earring on, but I did find it later on. It was like on my bed. And, but as you can see with the earrings, like they're big and they kind of frame your face and they pop. So like, even though I was like dressed down, just throwing on the earrings just kind of made me look like I was just a little bit more dressy, especially the way I be running around. I don't always feel like dressing up. So a lot of times all I do is a pair of earrings to throw on for the, it's my remote control, for the, just for me to look presentable and not always looking bummish when I'm out and about, because I'd be so tired sometimes. So these earrings will definitely do it. So long story short, you can wear these earrings dressed up or dressed down. And yeah, they are I forgot what the earring, but they're like the kind, the sling back or that's a shoe. The wire back, like you just kind of slide the wire into your ear. That's the type of finish that this is. Like I guess they got like post earrings, but this is kind of the wire back type of earring. Oh my God, finish. I cannot talk, and I'm not deleting this. I love y'all though, but I want y'all to just hear my authentic self. So definitely, so this earring is for a wholesale order. Really not a wholesale order, but a bulk order. She got a 20-piece order, and she got 20 pieces. So she got 7 waist beads, and she got the matching anklets, which is 7 anklets, so that's 14. Then she got 2 chokers, that's 15, 16. Then she got the earrings, that's 17. And it's 3 more, something I didn't say. Maybe she got some extra bracelets. I have to check. But this was part of a 20-piece order. It was for her birthday. Oh, you see me showing the earrings? It's probably when I realized I lost it. But that's what I'm trying to make a copy of. That's the earring. But the difference is she's got a little dangly. She wanted hers a little dangly, a little bling. So I added some at the top of her earring since it was a custom order. You can do a custom order, guys, with me. All you have to do is send me a message, and I will get with you once you message me, and we'll discuss what you want for a custom order. I love doing custom orders because it's a few reasons why I love doing custom orders, but it's definitely a lot of benefit. One, I love to do personal orders where I know, but I've spoken to the person and I know what intentions they want in it. So it really helps me design it. And another reason why I love custom orders is that it like gets me into like design mode, because I'm so creating the same things over and over again that I get into a little rut where I'm tired of making them. But when I do a custom order, I can actually be creative and kind of use my creative brain. But because now that we're busy and been in business 5 years, we recreate the same designs over and over. We sell the same designs over and over again. So doing custom orders give me an opportunity to create new designs and things. So thank you so much for your custom orders. Please message me if you want a custom order. It can be waist beads, anklets, bracelets, earrings. I also wire wrap keychains. I wire wrap crystals. I do wire wrap choker. I made her a wire wrap choker for this order. I did make it. I think I made it on live and may have a video clip to show you guys the wire wrap choker. She loved it. It had I did my own clasp finish. So I do wire wrap for custom orders, beaded jewelry. Yes, keep your girl booked and busy, especially for 2024. I'm also going to be working on some other things because I want to get out of the neighborhood a little bit more. But, y'all, my anxiety, goodness gracious. So I feel like that if I plan it a little ahead of time and not rush myself with events for 2024, I'll do better. So that's what I'm going to be working on, is making sure that I'm not rushing into events. Like I'm not going to book an event next week because I know I'm not going to. Well, no, I'm not going to book. I don't have any events booked for anything for the rest of the year, and I'm not going to because I'm not ready. I don't have anything. I have like a setup, but I don't have a lot of inventory. So with that being said, guys, shop with me. Hit me up for a custom order. Check out my TikTok shop and give me a follow, guys, so you can see the next video. Peace, love, and balance.